welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am actually going to be doing an eye makeup look using this. I don't know if anybody knows what this is. It's just like this little thing. This little launch that Shane and Dawson and Jeffree started. I don't know if you know who they are. Just a little something. It's nothing big though. My eye keeps watering. I don't know if does anybody else have this issue? Like when you do your makeup, there's always one eye that just waters and ruins everything and doesn't want you to live your best life. It doesn't want you to be happy. It doesn't want you to look good. It just wants you to look like trash. I think my kid just peed on the carpet, so just give me 1 minute here. Did you pee on the carpet? Holy crap, dude! Okay, it wasn't a compliment. I, honest to God, have no idea what I want to do either. There's just so many options. So many options. There's so many options. I just don't know what to do. What is a girl to do? Okay, so I think I'm going to go in first with the shade Root Beer. And I really liked this one too, so I'm going to put that all over. Kind of make it my transition shade. And I'm not going to lie, you guys, there is a little kickback. There's a little kickback in it, not much. Like if you guys watched yesterday, you could see me like blowing. It's not bad, and I don't, like, fallout doesn't bother me at all. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with the shade Not a Fact. And this is really pretty maroon. Oh, I love it. Into probably this is my favorite shade of the entire palette, which is Sleep Paralysis, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid. Go in with a little bit of the black. With Illuminati, and I'm gonna put that, like, stamp it. I like it, but I just realized that my lipstick is probably not gonna match this at all, but I'm not going anywhere, so we're gonna go ahead and put it on. So again, this is the shade I Gotta Go, and I'm excited to put it on. I could wear this like every day. But yes, I love it. I really, really like it. So again, this puppy right here, so worth your money. It was worth the hype. Like I said, I've never been this excited about any type of launch in makeup ever. I was excited about the Norvina palettes. I love those. I have those. Those are really nice. I was excited about those, but this is, I love it. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked my makeup look. Thanks for all your support, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I wish my eye would stop watering. Knocked it out.